Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. So just about to take you on a short walk round tour of one of our bespoke models here at Grantham, and that being the Siena 6FB, an extremely well-spec'd twin-axle 6-berth family caravan. So here is a good look at the front of that particular caravan. So our bespoke Siena logo that you see on the front there. Nice large front locker box and space for two 6kg gas bottles in there, your step, your electric hookup cable, light items, just being conscious and careful of your nose weight. Another additional benefit of our Siena range is the Alco ATC trailer control, making for a far safer and secure tow, giving you some peace of mind and assisted braking where necessary with that fantastic system. As we come down the side, we have an exterior barbecue point here, an external side access hatch to the front lounge area, and also a 230 volt socket. You've got our bespoke Siena logo down the side in a gel coat finish, so it really stands out and pops out. And our Siena range also has a completely bespoke decal running all the way down the side. This particular model has got a rear tuck to one side French bed, so that side access hatch just accesses underneath that French bed. So stepping inside the caravan, one of the key features of our Siena range is the bespoke upholstery scheme that we hand select ourselves every couple of years for our Siena range. So you can see that here, a highly durable and high quality of finish with matching curtains that has been hand selected by us, and we do feel we've picked a very plush and nice finished fabric scheme. On the front chest area here, you've got a television point, 240 volt socket, USB points, and also an aerial. Short pull-out chest at the front there, and PIR sensor for the alarm located down there that you see with the flashing light, and also the Truma blown air heating vent there. This front lounge area is long enough to be able to sleep on as single beds, or just below the chest you've got pull-out slats to be able to convert it and turn it into a double bed. Generous sized panoramic sunroof at the front, coupled with a medium Hecky light, gives a fantastic feeling of light and space in this front lounge. On the side here, we have got the wood grain going throughout the lockers and an ample amount of storage dotted around this caravan. Here you've got your main control centre for your caravan and your Truma blown air heating system control panel there. So turning around, you've got the central dinette here, so it's a single dinette. However, this does convert up into a bunk bed should you need it, with these additional fittings that you see here and the bunk bed board, separate ladder, infill cushions, and also tucked away boards as well to create safety for the children sleeping on those bunks. Further storage in the centre of the caravan here with that wood grain finish, and then a very generous sized kitchen area that you see here. Medium sized under counter fridge and a stainless steel sink. That green that you see there isn't a green, it's a film, protective film that's currently on it that peels away, so a completely stainless steel sink. Carbon monoxide alarm and smoke alarm as standard, and an easy usable height microwave just positioned above some additional 240 volt sockets with a really useful drop through cable there to drop your cables through for that toaster or cooker should you be using it. Slightly different finish on the lockers in the kitchen area, so a white finish here, which is going back to the 2020 range for Siena and Sprite. In all lockers were white, so really a great finish to see that some of the lockers have moved back to the wood grain. On your oven, you have 3 gas hob burners, no electric ring in this particular range, a combination oven and grill with pan storage located underneath. Further along tucked away here is your freestanding table for the front of the caravan to use down in that front lounge area to create a nice family dining experience. We've got a generous sized wardrobe here, which is what I mentioned earlier, your bunk and bunk bed boards for that side bunk there. Your Vision Plus aerial with the Vision Plus box there, and also a hanging rail. So the large French bed that you see at the rear here with the Duvelet mattress on it. So down the side here, we can lift this up. So when lifting this up, we can see underneath there, your spare wheel located underneath the bed, and also this caravan coming with a full set of carpets. Matching headboard and curtains go throughout and even into the bedroom area with that wood grain coming towards the back here. You have got a television point uniquely placed up here, so should you want to position a TV up here for viewing in the bedroom area, you can do that. We have a pull across blind here, which creates the privacy into the bedroom area, and also a privacy blind running along the side dinette that you see along here. Sink step just outside the washroom here with the branded logo mirror that you see there. And here we have a combination shower and toilet positioned just to the side of that French bed with a shelf at the back. So that gives you a real good feel for this twin axle 6-berth family caravan. If you have any queries or questions, please feel free to contact our friendly sales team, who have been more than happy to help you. I hope you've enjoyed the short walk around tour, and hopefully if this is the right caravan for you, or there are any other caravans in our Siena range, we can do business together. Thanks very much. Bye bye now.